Yeah, I think she's going to look good when we're done.
Yeah, yeah. It will.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll just keep plugging at it and
Yeah.
get a little bit done here and there. And
Yeah, that's it.
so
That's all
forth.
we can do.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, we got to tear it apart and hope we know where it goes back together again.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, if we can get Tony over here next week,
Yeah.
get the motor and training in.
Yeah, you got a lot more work to do.
No kidding. Yeah. Anyway, we'll take a tour around, see what else we're doing here on the Fargo.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Well, we got all this here cleaned up.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah. A little bit here, a little bit there.
Yeah.
All framed, all cleaned up.
Yeah, you got another couple of hours of work to do on it before you can get her on the road, but
Yeah.
it'll happen this year, next spring.
Yeah. Oh,
So
hopefully,
you'll be all right.
Yeah, we had a major hole over here that
Yeah.
we have to fix, and then all along the bottom there,
Yeah.
got to repair all of it,
Yeah.
which is no big deal for a 60-year-old truck.
No, that's
You
fantastic.
know, we'll get her done anyway, eh, George?
Yeah. No
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah.
You'll have her done by the spring.
Whether it be this spring or next spring, we don't know.
Yeah, probably next spring.
Yeah, or the spring after that.
Yeah. We'll drink a couple of more bottles of water.
Yeah, yeah. No, it's coming together.
Yeah.
So, yeah, these are the floor mats we've got to get fixed up yet. Either replaced or repaired, or we don't know what's happening with it, but
Yeah.
we'll get her figured out.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, you have some fun while you're doing it, eh, George?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's to me. Having fun
Yeah.
and enjoy it.
Have some fun and enjoy it. Having a cold one.
See that? Having a nice cold beer.
Yeah, looking good.
It's the best.
Yeah, no. Gotta have some fun too.
Yep. Well, as soon as we finish that, we'll put her in and get her running.
Yeah, we'll hook that up. The tranny's over here.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll do that tomorrow, George. We'll hook up the tranny to the motor and
Yeah.
throw her in and wait for Tony to come over, and
Yeah.
can't do nothing without Tony. Tony's
That's right.
Tony's a brains behind the operation.
Yep.
You know, we just got all this over here is a paint room, I guess you'd call it. Kind
Yeah.
of set it on the front of the truck. You see the fenders here. We're using that as our work table.
Yeah.
You know, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Yep.
Your gas tank, we just gotta fix that yet. It'll look good when we're done. Have some fun while we're doing it, eh, George?
Oh, fantastic, man.
Yeah, yeah. Well, anyway, we'll talk at you later, and hopefully everybody kind of follow us along as we're doing it. Yeah.
Talk
Anyway,
to you later.
talk to you later, George.
Okay. See you later.
Just lost my
I'll
microphone.
finish up. I'll
lost-
finish up this work here.
Yeah. Yeah. I just lost my microphone. Yeah. Anyway, see you later.